Look for, search. Find out, discover. Pick up, collect or lift. Drop off, leave someone somewhere. Sit down, take a seat. Stand up, rise to feet. Give up, stop trying. Carry on, continue. Run out of, no more left. Fill up, make full.
Get up, wake from bed.
Wake up, stop sleeping.
Turn on, start, machine, light.
Turn off, stop, machine, light.
Put on, wear.
Take off, remove.
Go out, leave home.
Come back, return. Get up means leave bed. I get up at 7. Wake up means stop sleeping. I wake up early. Go to bed means sleep. I go to bed at 11. Turn on means start. Turn on the TV. Turn off means stop. Turn off the lights. Put on means wear. Put on your shoes. Take off means remove. Take off your jacket.